what we want to do today is to set up a distillation apparatus first. After setting up the distillation apparatus, then we will adapt that to set up the fractional distillation apparatus. So what I have here is a round bottom flask. You fill the bottom portion. The bottom portion is round now. There's no flat portion here. And now I place this something like this. Okay? I place this. Then I can clamp this. Never mind, don't clamp it. Then I will include a thermometer here. The thermometer is here. And you'll find that this thermometer, the bulk of the thermometer is just at the outlet where we will put that condenser. But right now we need to clip this first. So we clip this so that it will stay, right? And then we put this one here, and then we clip this so it will stay. You notice that this clip are actually very safe. I can now hold it like that. Okay? So right now I put it in my, what do you call this stand? What do you call this stand? What do you call this stand? Starting with R. E, R-E, T, R-E-T, what? Retort stand. Huh? This is called a retort stand. R-E-T-O-R-T, retort stand. Okay, so what's going to happen is, this is the distillation apparatus. And if you look at this, this what we call a Liebig condenser. Liebig is spelled as L-I-E-B-I-G. Sounds like Liebig, right? Huh? L-I-E, right? So it is Liebig, small. So to help you to remember, this is called a Liebig condenser, where there are actually two layers here. Can you see the two layers of tubes inside? The outer layer is for you to put in water here. You put in the water at the lower end. This end is lower than this end. So if I put in cold water here, then the water will flood up to the top and come out this way, right? Huh? But you don't put cold water in here and let it drain out here. Huh? Because it may not flood the whole of the inner tube of this Liebig condenser. Okay? So the Liebig condenser is to cool the hot vapor coming out from here. The hot vapor will boil. So if I boil a salt solution, salty salt solution, only water will boil off. And of course, when water boils off, you will find that the thermometer will be able to read the temperature. Here, I'll be able to read the temperature of the hot water boiling off vapor. And as the hot steam comes through, it will cool along here, and what you get here is your distillate. What distills over is called a distillate. And what you filter through the filter paper is called the filtrate. And what you sublime is called the sublimate. Okay, good. Now here I have got, you look, here I've got beer. Here I got beer. So here I now open the beer. I am going to pour the beer out. And of course the beer will have a foam right now. The beer will have a foam. Now this foam is not very good in the sense that the foam will affect the boiling. So what we will do is we are going to pour this inside here. Okay, pour this inside here, and let's see how we can pour it in. I don't know whether we can. Is it going through? Not so good. Not so good right now. Okay. We will clean that afterwards. Actually, I should have used a filter funnel. Oh, it's coming through the... Never mind. It's okay. We will clean it up. Good. Now we have to clean it up. Okay. Never mind. Slowly we will clean it up. Okay. Clean up here. You must always keep the workbench tidy. Yeah? Clean up here. Okay. Now we are going to put in some chips, solid chips inside here. We are going to put in some solid chips inside here to prevent it from bumping. So we put in solid chips here. Okay. Well, not all of them will. Not all of them will this. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Good. Right. So what I'm going to do is, in this beer, there are two solutions. One of them is water. Obviously, beer must contain water. Then the other one is alcohol. What's the name of the alcohol? Ethanol can be eaten. No? Ethanol can be eaten. So what we want to do is, both these liquid have a different boiling point. Which do you think have a higher boiling point? Between water and ethanol. Yes.
Ethanol.
Lower boiling point or higher?
Higher?
No, so it must be lower. Okay, okay. So we are going to put this now over here. We're going to put this over here, and let's see what happens when I have something like this. Wow. So this one is becoming, oh, careful, just hold it. It's becoming longer. So this is becoming longer. So what we are doing is we are fixing up this fractional distillation apparatus. Frighteningly very big, right? Oh? So this is called fractional distillation apparatus. And we are going to boil here, okay? And we put the thermometer here. Alright, the whole thing is a fractional distillation setup. And now we want to heat this beer to let the alcohol come through first, and we will collect this alcohol over here. Okay? Water we don't need to collect. We collect the alcohol, which is more important because we want to do something to the alcohol inside the beer. Okay? Alright, let's stop this for a while.